Hi everyone, thank you for watching the Graham Strategy channel. And as always, I remind you that I'm not a financial advisor and I do not make any recommendations on what you should or should not buy or sell. The Q2 quarterly reports are coming in, and so far the reports have been quite good in general. The OMX30 index is up 5.4% since the beginning of the month, and it seems as if we're building up a new bull trap. The general market sentiment is also that the index should keep falling as we enter potential recession with high inflation and increasing interest rates. For the stocks in the Graham portfolio, all 5 companies reported more or less good results. There were no direct disappointments that could cause a big drop in value, and looking at the period since the rebalancing in March, we can clearly see that the real estate companies performed the worst, just as I predicted. Best Cap and JM, they are down more than 30%, and Skanska is down only about 15%, and the reason for that is that Skanska is not only a real estate company but also a construction company. Betsson has performed the best with a gain of almost 34%, and SKF has gained 8.3%. The drop in value is also reflected in the PE ratios, which show very attractive numbers for the real estate companies, Best Cap 6.4 and JM 7.7. However, we will see if they can maintain the profits in the long run, and if they do, and the inflation comes down with falling interest rates, the valuation can change drastically. And looking at the performance since the rebalancing in March, we can see that the Graham portfolio still performs worse than the index, with a loss of 5.89%, while the OMX index has dropped only 0.48%. And the reason for this is, of course, that there's an overweight of real estate companies in the Graham portfolio. And looking at the period since the start of the portfolio, we can see that the Graham portfolio has gained 31.6%, while the OMX index has actually fallen 4.27%. So that was a short update on the portfolio. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for updates, subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive notification when I release a new video. So until next time, as always, stay sharp and follow your passion.